Alrighty, campers. Now we're going to seize chocolate. I'm going to show you how to intentionally seize chocolate to pipe for our motifs. We're working toward putting together this mocha mousse cake. We've made the mousse, we have made piping bags, and I'm going to show you how to pipe motifs. So we're melting this chocolate, and it's a nice quality chocolate that we call Semper. It means that it's pre-tempered. So you have to melt it slowly and carefully like we discussed, unlike how we quickly and over high heat melted it for the mousse. So Chef Payne has melted this chocolate beautifully. And I believe that in baking one, in your first class, you were told that water will seize chocolate. So you want to be really careful when you're melting chocolate not to get any of that water in it. In this case, we are intentionally seizing it because if I tried to pipe with this chocolate, it would just flood straight through my bag and make a mess. So I'm going to seize it with Kahlua. You can seize it with any alcohol. And I'm taking just a small capful and I'm going to put it into my chocolate and I'm going to watch it as it starts to increase in its viscosity. So it's just getting some body to it. What I want is something that kind of looks like ganache. So you will all need to learn how to seize this chocolate to pipe for these motifs for this project. When you get into your next lab, Chef Newman will teach you how to temper chocolate, and you won't need to use this chocolate. So I'm getting some nice body with this chocolate. Can you see the difference? It was real fluid and now it holds a little bit. I'm just gonna try and seize it up just a little bit more. And when you all are making it, you won't need this much chocolate. You all will only melt a couple ounces. So I think I'm at a pretty close point. Just another drop. Because you don't want it to flood when you start piping with it. So it's holding its shape nicely. And now I'm going to take one of my paper parchment bags and I'm going to take a template, and you'll find these on my podium and Chef Payne's podium. We put it in a little protective cover so that we can just wipe it off after each student has used it. And I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of chocolate in my bag. And I'm going to fold my bag over my seam like this. Can you see that seam? And then I'm gonna fold these little wings in here. And then I'm gonna put my seam on the table and roll away from my seam. I am going to use this template to pipe these motifs by starting at the bottom, pulling up, and following the outline. Once you get used to it, it becomes a little easier and easier. I am using this outline as a guide. You do not have to be right on this outline. But you will need 12 of these. And I would probably pipe a few extra since they are delicate and they'll break. All right, so that's the process, and we will see you really soon.